What up, peeps? All right, we see that the Bitcoin price is down. I am going to show you in this video how not to be affected in a negative way by the price of Bitcoin falling. This is a very informative video that I hope a lot of you guys are able to catch on because typically when the Bitcoin price falls, people panic sell and they get shaken out of their positions. I don't want that happening to you guys. So this video is going to help you understand what to do when the price of Bitcoin tumbles. Let's get into it. All right, guys, I got up this morning to see a nice drop in the price of Bitcoin. And you know that I've been campaigning to get out of all these scammy DeFi projects and invest in a crypto that we know is going to be around for years to come. And in this regard, now that we have this pullback, I want to show you guys how to profit in a down market. And I'm not even going to say this is a down market. This is just a nice and well-deserved pullback. However, when people see these drops like this, they panic sell and want to, quote unquote, keep from having losses. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how not to lose money when trading Bitcoin. Okay. And I'm going to show you with examples of what I've been doing. So I'm going to start off and show you some of the trades that I've made. So keep in mind when you see price drops like this, number one, understand first and foremost what you are investing in. If you invest in a company and you're not sure of that company's ability to generate yield for you, then I would say do not invest in it. But if you do your research and understand an asset, a commodity, a crypto, or whatever the case is, that gives you much more confidence to invest in that product or company and hold it, knowing that the price is going to eventually increase anyway. And this personally is what I believe to be with Bitcoin. There's no doubt in my mind that Bitcoin will eventually reach $1 million and upward. Not in this cycle, but certainly in the future. So I never have a problem buying Bitcoin and holding it or trading it. Okay. But one thing I never do is panic sell. I'll never sell my Bitcoin at a price that is cheaper than I purchased it for. Okay. Instead, I sit and hold it. In addition to that, when I see pullbacks like this, I also buy it. Okay. Because this is a great buying opportunity, guys. And I know a lot of people tell you, well, when the price falls, buy more, buy more, buy more. But they don't actually show you them buying it. I'm going to show you that I am buying it. So here is one of my Kraken accounts. This one here is in euro. So when you see these trades, they are in euro. So I have my trading view chart here. This section here is Bitcoin and US dollar, because I know a lot of you guys are probably in the US dollar. This one here is in euro. So this is showing a price of about 48,000 euros right now. In the world of USD is close to 53,000. Okay. But when you check out my Kraken account, here are my orders. Okay. So these are the orders that I have pending, waiting to be filled. These are the orders that have executed. So when I woke up this morning, I see that I have received quite a few buy orders. that actually executed. And I had these buy orders kick in. At what point did I start buying again? I started buying in again about close to 57,000. Okay, and keep in mind this is in euro, not in US dollar, and the price has dropped as low as 45,000. Now, all of these are buy orders. Okay, and what does this benefit me, guys? This makes sure that I am always going to buy Bitcoin at close to the lowest amount that it falls. When they say buy the dip, this is buying the dip. Okay, so I don't care how far the price falls. I have buy orders here down to maybe about 25,000 euros. So when the price like this does tumble, I am always set in a position to buy up Bitcoin. And the beautiful thing about this is once I set these trades out there, I don't have to come out here every day or multiple times throughout the day to check it or trade it. I'll just check the charts maybe once every couple days or so and see what buy orders or sell orders have been triggered, log my transactions, and then update some more orders from there. Okay, that keeps my trading very simple. Number one, because I know the asset that I'm investing in is going to eventually rise in value long term, and I've already allocated a certain amount of capital to put into that specific asset. Okay, so I never get shaken out of my position. However, I don't like the fact that when I purchase Bitcoin at, let's say, 60,000 euros and the price of Bitcoin pulls back to 50,000, well, I have about a $10,000 spread there where I purchased Bitcoin and that Bitcoin is not working for me. Okay. You have proof of stake tokens like Ethereum, Polkadot, all these that you can actually earn yield while you're holding that token. Well, now you have that available in Bitcoin. Okay. So I posted this tweet yesterday, and well, here's my Twitter. I want to show the. I'm gonna get off track real quick just to show you. This guy right here posted something. I don't know who he is. I'm not affiliated with him, but he's saying he's going to give away $10,000 worth of Bitcoin to 5 different people, and the price dropped under 50. So he says he's going to do it. In order to qualify, you gotta like, retweet, and follow him. Uh, with that, whatever that case, I don't know what that is, but I'm not checking that. But do that. You know, you guys that are familiar with Twitter, do that, and maybe you can break off that $10,000. But I posted this tweet yesterday, okay? And what is it saying? Bitcoin price is down, but your gains can be up. Don't panic sell or be shaken out of your position. Guys, when Bitcoin price falls, it is a perfect opportunity to buy it, okay? So I'm not just saying it, I'm actually doing it, as you guys can see here. Okay. And trust me, I've done this for years. It's always paid off. It will continue to pay off. And I don't want you guys getting burnt or shaken out of your position because you're scared that you're going to lose your money. You're not. Okay. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advice. I'm just telling you what I do. But I'm telling you, you start selling off when this price falls, or if you get liquidated because you engaged in margin trading or using leverage, don't do that. Only invest the capital that you're sitting on. I don't care if it's only $10 worth. You buy that $10 worth, you hold it. Okay. Now, back to this topic here is buying or putting your Bitcoin to work. So if you purchase it at 60,000, the price is now 50,000 and you're waiting for the price to get back to 60,000. Well, we don't have proof of stake rewards in Bitcoin, but you do have this wallet. So if you click on this link, or you guys know just to head out to High Yield BTC or Drip to BTC and get yourself a wallet. Okay. And in this wallet, I'm going to show you what I've been doing in another wallet that I created. Here are a few recent transactions that I did toward the end of June, toward the end of July. And in July, I deposited $10,000 worth of Bitcoin. Okay. And from this, I'm receiving an additional $300 free. Okay. And what I did, I deposited that $10,000. I paid the 10% fee of 1,000. So essentially I'm left with about $9,000. So I put 10,000 in from the exchange. I took the 9,000 remaining, put it back in the exchange. Okay. So that I can continue to trade with it, as you guys see that I've been doing here. Where is that? Wherever my trading stuff is. There we go. So this is my trading activity, right? And come back over here. But I see that from this 10,000, I paid that fee. I'm getting this much in credits, and I have a net increase of $300. I had a net increase here of $331. Okay, so the system is able to give me more in Bitcoin. So now I am referencing this in US dollar, but the key factor is you want to look at the amount of Bitcoin and credits you're receiving, because that's going to end up in your actual Bitcoin position holdings. So this allows your Bitcoin to go to work for you while the price of Bitcoin is sitting at lower levels. You never have to panic sell, guys. If you are so fearful that you just have to sell that off, you move that to your Bitcoin wallet, and you can move the $9,000 out or $200 out or whatever your amount is, or you can let it remain in here, head over to the marketplace and purchase more credits at a discount. This is like buying $100,000 Bitcoin price at $90,000, guys. Okay. And you can do it in small portions. Okay. I can't make any purchases now because I've already purchased up everything. I don't have any Bitcoin left. I'm at the stage in this wallet where it's just converting over, but as credits convert over, I'll just either purchase more credits, or I might just move money from my Kraken account here and get more credits, okay? Because I'm getting 30% yield on that, or at least the fees that I'm paying over the course of doing that. All right, guys, I think that's all I got for you in this video. If you like it, hit that like button. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments. I am sharing information about this in previous videos, but if you have more detailed questions, always feel free to hit me up or head over to Drip Coach and he can fill you in as well. All right, that's all I got for you in this one, and we'll holla on the next one. Peace out.